Right. See, overall, for organizing text in HTML, we have a program here. See the program for organizing text in HTML. I'm using all the concept, whatever we have discussed, that is WBR, that is pre-formatted, table, Ruby, the list, order list, unordered list, nested list, all sort of division, span, for all, I'm just combining as a single program. Let me see that program. Style, this is the one styles we have started, already had discussed. This is a class style, having this one class. Again, form heading, another class. Okay. Again, sub is another class. Sub is another class. Here I am ending the style, end of the head, right? Now, already we have discussed in this program. This is dot indicates class style, followed by class name, class style name. Now here, these are the declarations. Each declaration consisting of the attribute followed by value. Both are separated with colon. Padding, border, border radius, width, margin top, all these are the attributes available for this one. And the values for this are separated with here. So with the help of different dimensions, we can give it in the form of inches or pixels or percentage. We can give this sort of values for this. Okay. And form heading also consisting, background color is red, color is white, padding is 4 pixel, text alignment is center. And sub is background color is red, padding, color, font weight, margin left, border radius. So these are the some of the attributes where we can discuss in the styles. Clear? Now, see first what we have discussed in the organizing text, WBR. Here I am using this WBR. This is an example for WBR, word breaking. If your browser not supports, the WBR not works there. So it will be displayed same as it is, how you are going to using with and without WBR. This is the one word we are using. The second example we have discussed is that is pre-formatting. Here, how you are going to be using the text, the number of spaces, the spaces between the words, the same as it is, it will display onto the page. Now I'm applying another example, that is div in the same program, division. So for this division, I'm applying a class style called as login form, which already we have just now seen what are the style values are there. Okay. For H3, I'm applying a class style form heading, that is please login. And I'm just creating a form, creating a table over here for your understanding. How you are creating a table? Table element, create a row, create a column, email, another column in the same first row is type equal to email, text field is email. Second row, first column, password, label, just a heading, and followed by second column is a text field called as password. The third row having a call span, already we discussed about the call span. Merging the columns is called as call span. So I am merging two columns because email heading, email text field, password heading, password text field. How many columns are there? Two columns are there. So that's why I'm merging and making as the style as the text alignment as center. Centrally, I need to present a button that is class equal to. I'm applying a class for this. Already we have a class style, class equal to sub style, and type equal to submit. So I am giving this login button, login submit button, center of this one. How you are making center is with the help of this column span. I am merging the two columns and applying for this login submit button a subclass style, and we are displaying all this. Okay. So end of the this is end of the division. Again for span example, only for this line. For this line, I'm applying this color. Only for this 4 words, I'm applying this color. So for inlines, you can use span. For multiple lines, you can use a div. And again, I'm creating a table called as a border with 1. I'm creating a row, columns for that, row, columns for that. Okay, end of the row, end of the table. And again, one more example is Ruby. So if you want to display such type of equations, if you not support the font, it displays any hexadecimal, any values. But if you want to display equations, such type of equations, you can use Ruby. So Ruby RP, that is Ruby parenthesis Ruby text. Okay. Another example, unordered list. Unordered list, I'm going to using type equal to disk. I'm using 4 list over here. For ordered list, type equal to 1, 4 list I'm going to use. So unordered list type will be display as a bullets as disk bullets, and for order list, the bullets display as integer 1 2 3, numeric 1 2 3. And another example, definition list, it starts with DL, definition heading will be DT, and answer for the definition with the help of DD. Okay, so another definition DT, DD, answer for the heading, and end of DL. And nested list, you can use unordered list coffee tea, and if you want, again we have a sub bullets for tea, you can use again one more list within the list, UL, inside UL another UL. So this is called as nested list. So black tea, green tea. Okay,